Hi everybody! As I'm sure everyone knows by now, I am evaluating the American Academy of Dermatology's website, specifically the parts about skin cancer and prevention. But if you're ever curious about other dermatological conditions like acne, psoriasis, or rashes, there is a lot of other information on this website that is just really cool if you're into that sort of thing. So here I am on the American Academy of Dermatology's homepage. This website is extremely effective in communicating facts about skin cancer and provides readers links to easily click on and learn about different topics within dermatology. Not only would I recommend this website, but all the doctors at my practice recommend research via this website to learn about their own skin diseases or skin cancers. All of the information on this website consists of concrete medical facts, which can be verified, and there's no bias. There is not just one person who wrote the website, but several thousands of dermatologists, rheumatologists, and oncologists who come together to provide up-to-date information about these skin diseases. Founded in 1938, the AAD is the largest and most representative of all the dermatologic associations in America. As stated on its website, the AAD is committed to advancing the diagnosis and medical, surgical, and cosmetic treatment of the skin, hair, and nails, advocating high standards in clinical practice, and supporting and enhancing patient care for a lifetime of healthier skin, hair, and nails. So basically, if you have skin, hair, and/or nails, this website is for you. And I would think that consists of most everybody on the planet. So we're going to click on diseases and conditions. And we're going to go down. Like I said, there's a bunch of different subtopics, but we're going to focus on skin cancer. And we're going to click it there. So we'll start on the website at the Skin Cancer Resource Center, which you can see right here. This can be found by clicking through the hyperlinks on the home page of the website pretty quickly, as we just saw. As you can see, there are graphics which contain different topics about skin cancer. We can see there are ads from skin product companies like Neutrogena on the side here. This may create some kind of bias, but the AAD uses these ads to fund projects and their website content. They also don't use products that they don't verify. So Neutrogena is verified by the American Academy of Dermatology. So we're going to go to skin cancer types and treatment. All right, here we can see what is skin cancer, and you can read about that. We see several different hyperlinks for the types of skin cancer. The graphics aren't too graphic, if you get what I mean, but that's perfect for anybody who gets squeamish with medical photos. We can also see bolded headlines under each topic, with a quick non-bolded blurb underneath. There is not so much information that one would get bored easily, but instead short sentences that catch the reader's attention. As you can see under melanoma, it states that this information can answer your questions about diagnosis, treatment, and self-care. So it is very important for a patient to know exactly where to go to find this information. So we'll go click on melanoma. And under the melanoma hyperlink is our first medical photo right here, which indicates that if you click on the link, you'll be taken to other medical photos along with a discussion on signs and symptoms of melanoma. As I scroll down, all topics are easy to find and contain general questions the public wants to know about melanoma, such as skin self-exam, what increases melanoma risk, and skin cancer in people of color. A not so fun fact here is that Bob Marley died of skin cancer, so it really can happen to anybody. So we'll go to what increases melanoma risk. And here's a short little quiz that somebody can take. I know quizzes aren't the most fun thing, but it's like a cute little true or false thing that you can do. So it's a nice interactive thing that audience can do on the website. When taking this short quiz on what increases your risk of getting melanoma, not only can the audience have some sort of fun taking true-false questions, but it explains the rationale behind each question and why it is true or false. I recommend taking this little quiz at home because there are some facts that you probably didn't think about. So for example, anyone can get melanoma, but having skin that sunburns easily increases your risk. This is true. This guy got really sunburned. I would not recommend that. So I'm going to go back on the website to how to prevent skin cancer. Okay. Again, hyperlinks. I'm going to click on this one, how to prevent skin cancer. So first we see a nice video. You can watch a YouTube video to explain all the bullet points found on this page. which makes it easy for someone who listens better than they read. And you can also see the use of bullet points makes it easy for the audience to read and understand different ways to protect yourself against the sun. It's also nice to see the bold versus the non-bold, because if people don't want to read every single sentence, all they need to do is read the bolded and they'll get the gist of it. Examples of protection include seeking shade, wearing sun protective clothing, applying a sunscreen of SPF 30 or higher, and avoiding tanning beds. I also like how there's a little warning symbol next to an important fact. A tan is a sign that your skin has been injured. As you can see, this website is really effective in communicating different types of skin cancer and how to protect yourself against the sun. And that's my website review. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. Otherwise, have a good day.